Hi everyone, this is Vijaya Ranjit. Welcome all of you to Mother's Meals and Memories channel. Please support our channel. Press subscribe button, like button, comment and notification icon. In every video, I would like to share a wonderful quotes just for you. Today, I am going to prepare South Indian tasty masala dosa with 2 spicy chutneys. For that, we have 4 parts of preparation. Part 1, Dosa batter preparation. So we'll add the 2 glass of idli rice to the bowl. Next we'll add 1 glass of raw rice or kolam rice to the bowl. Now we have to add 2 tablespoons of chana dal, 2 tablespoons of moong dal and 2 tablespoons of tur dal into the same bowl and soak it for 5 hours. Now in a separate bowl we need to add urad dal 3/4 cup and half teaspoon of methi seeds into it. Now we need to wash the rice and dal 3 times with water and soak it for 5 hours. Also, urad dal and methi seeds we need to soak for 2 hours. Now we need to blend the urad dal and methi seeds in the mixie jar and make a batter and keep it separately. After that, we need to blend the rice and the dal and make a batter. After making the batter, we need to mix both the things and make the dosa batter. Now the batter is ready for making dosa. Part 2, Potato masala for masala dosa preparation. The ingredients required for making masala for masala dosa: boiled potatoes, chana dal, urad dal, onion chopped, curry leaves, green chilli, chilli powder, turmeric powder, salt, coriander leaves. Now we are going to make masala dosa mixture. Now we need to pour 2 teaspoons of oil. When the oil gets heated up, we can add 2 teaspoons of chana dal, urad dal, now the dal has turned into brownish color. Now we can add 1 chopped onion into it. Once the onion gets slightly brownish color, we need to add salt, turmeric powder and the red chilli into it. Now we have to mix the onions, green chilli, curry leaves, everything. Once it gets slight brownish color, we can add the. Now we have added the potatoes into the pan. Now we'll mix all the ingredients together. Now we need to sprinkle some water on the potatoes so that it gets a nice mix. After mixing this, last we can add the coriander leaves and again give a stir. Part 3, Coriander chutney preparation. Chutney. For that we need 1 onion chopped and 1 1/2 tomato chopped and 1 small cup of coriander leaves and 2 tablespoons of coconut grated, 5 garlic and 3 green chilli, 2 tablespoons of chana dal, 2 tablespoons of urad dal and half teaspoon of jeera. For tempering, we need some mustard seeds and curry leaves. Let's take a pan for making coriander chutney. We need to add 1 teaspoon of oil. When the oil gets heated up, we can add 2 teaspoons of chana dal, urad dal and half teaspoon of jeera into it till it gets roasted nicely. Now the dal has turned into brownish color. We can add 1 chopped onion into it, 3 green chilies and 5 garlic, and also 1.5 tomato chopped into it. Now fry all this. Now we need to add salt for taste. Once the onion and tomato gets fried, we can add the coriander leaves into that and give a stir. It's done. All this is done. Now we can add a pinch of tamarind into it. That is an optional one, but I am not adding it now. The last we need to add the coconut grated and switch off the flame. Now it is ready to make a paste. Part 4, Special Coconut Chutney Preparation. Now we are going to make coconut chutney. As coconut chutney is all-time favorite for everyone for dosa. Now let's start doing it. First we need to take half cup of coconut grated and quarter cup of chana dal or chutney dal. We need to take 5 cashew nuts, 2 green chilli, small ginger and a pinch of tamarind, half teaspoon of jeera and a pinch of coriander leaves and salt to taste. For tempering, we need to take half teaspoon of mustard seeds and a small amount of curry leaves. Now we need to add all the ingredients into the mixer jar. Now we need to pour the batter for making dosa. Now pour a few drops of oil on the dosa. Gently press the dosa all over so that the dosa will be very crispy. Now place the masala in center of the dosa. Now we can fold the dosa. And just give a slight press to the dosa. Talk to yourself at least once in a day, otherwise you may miss a meeting with an excellent person in this world. Said by respected Swami Vivekananda. Hi friends, this is Vijaya Ranjit once again thanking you all for watching my video. Please support our channel, subscribe, like, comment and press the notification icon bell. Enjoy the masala dosa dish. Until then, bye bye from Vijaya Ranjit.